Meaning of damning.
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 Damning. The term damning is typically used to describe evidence or information that is highly incriminating or damaging towards a person or entity. It can be synonymous with words such as condemnatory, critical, and damningly. This type of evidence or information can often lead to legal or social repercussions for the person or entity involved, and it may also harm their reputation or credibility. Overall, the term damning implies a serious and negative impact, indicating that the information or evidence in question is highly detrimental.